Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are getting ready for Bath & Body Works SAS, their semi-annual sale. It actually is starting on June 14th this year. They always start it on a Monday, so it is coming up quick. And I really wanted to make a video going over what they're gonna have, some possible price points, and talk about if it's something that I want to pick up or not. So kind of like a will I buy it Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale style. So if you guys are new to the semi-annual sale, this Bath & Body Works does twice a year where they do a huge clearance. They clearance like all their stuff, not except like the main body care items that they have, but all their limited edition things, so they can make room for the new stuff for fall. And then it's going to be holiday, but their fall line is always huge, so they're pretty much going to be clearancing most of their summer and spring items. They usually have up to 75% off. I usually go to get the 75% off deals because that is what I am all about. They do have 50% off, and sometimes they have certain price points as well. And you can sometimes find candles for 75% off. It's rare though. Usually you can find those on the first day of the sale. This sale lasts for a few weeks, so I go like a few times a week. Like, I'm crazy about it, and I go see what's new because usually each week they'll mark different stuff even lower. So something might start off at 50, and then if it's still there the next week it might be 75. So it's nice to check back and see what you can find, but I mostly try to shop 75. But if there's something you really love, you can always pick it up at half off. And there's a 14-day grace period that Bath & Body Works does. If something changes in price, you can get a price adjustment if it is within the 14 days and it goes lower than what you bought it for. So do keep that in mind. That's just a little bit about the sale, but I kind of want to go over what all they're gonna have. I am really excited. So shout out to Life Inside the Page Daily Finds on Instagram. She has a blog, Life Inside the Page, and she actually posted a lot of what is going to be on sale. Somehow she knows like all the insider information, and usually whenever she posts about something, it's usually always correct. So I believe these are true about what is coming. Actually, this year they're having a ton of new scents for semi-annual sale, so it's kind of all about the new stuff, I guess, and not as much buying the old stuff. Gonna be very different than last year. But yeah, they're coming out with a ton of new stuff that's gonna be on sale for the sale. Let's talk about some of these new scents. So first up, we have the Perfectly Paired collection. These are possibly going to be 50% off. Do not quote me on this. This is just allegedly, I guess. But usually, like I said, she's usually right about these things, so I can see this happening. Of course, they probably aren't going to put a brand new scent at 75% off. It would have been nice though to have it like $5. They did that last year when they came out with the watermelon scent and like raspberry tangerine. It was like $5. So kind of sad it's not going to be $5, but I get it. So this sounds so delicious to me. There's a Candied Violet Sorbet. That sounds like it's going to be so good. I do sometimes like floral and sweet scents mixed together, like lavender marshmallow I'm a big fan of. So this one sounds really good to me. I definitely want to pick this one up. The notes on it are sugared violet petals, vanilla sorbet, and blackberry swirl. Oh goodness, this sounds good. I'm going to insert photos here. Some of these photos are also from Scents Galore, another favorite account to follow on Instagram for all the insider info. We also have the Honeysuckle Peach Tea. I am so curious about this one because they used to have a peach tea scent called, it was like Southern Peach and Sweet Tea. I can't quite remember the name, but it used to be really good, although it was kind of similar to their peach scent they have out now. Pretty as a peach, but this one just sounds really good. The notes are honeysuckle blooms, juicy peaches, and sweet tea. That first note is the honeysuckle, so it does seem like it has a floral aspect to it. Not sure how I'm gonna feel like that, but if it's like the Southern Peach and Sweet Tea one, I think it'll be really good. I really like that one, so hopefully it'll hopefully be similar. They also have the champagne sprinkles. This one has notes of sparkling champagne, raspberry icing, and rainbow sprinkles. This sounds like it's gonna be good too. Maybe similar to champagne toast, but it seems sweeter with the raspberry icing note. Sounds really good, so I think I'm definitely going to pick that one up. I'm just going to pick it all up, okay? We already know this. I have to try it all and let you guys know what's good. And then they also have the Fruit Fizz Body Care Collection for 50% off. Again, all new scents coming out for SAS. Cherry Limeade. This one sounds really good. I love the Sonic Cherry Limeade, so I'm like, I hope that's similar. And I hope it's not the same as like Firecracker Pop, because it kind of seems like it could be similar. The notes are juicy red cherries, candied lime, and sparkling citrus soda. We also have strawberry soda, which I'm also excited about. There used to be an older scent from them that used to be a favorite of mine called Strawberry Sparkler. This came out years ago, so some of you guys might not be familiar, but I hope it's like that one. It was so good. It was kind of artificial strawberry, but it was more of that like strawberry soda kind of scent rather than the strawberry pound cake. Something a little bit different. So I'm hoping it's like that. It has notes of fresh strawberries, bubbly seltzer, and crushed ice. I always laugh at the crushed ice note because it's like, oh, what does crushed ice smell like, you know? I don't know. I guess they just have to add that in there. Also, we have fresh coconut colada. This one has been out prior. This one's super coconutty. I don't know if this is one I cared for. I might try it in store, and if I'm like, kind of feeling it, I might pick it up, but I feel like that one's going to be a no because I'm not super big on coconut. And then they also have watermelon lemonade that is coming back as well. I love watermelon lemonade. It's such a good one. I think it smells like a true watermelon scent, similar to the candle. It's really delicious. Kind of more of a fresh, tart watermelon type of scent. It's delicious. Also, so it looks like Daydream is coming back. That has the rainbow packaging from last year. I'm trying to think if I have this one. I don't think I do, but the notes are fresh raspberry, sparkling pear, and pink lily petals. I'll insert a photo here of what it looks like, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be back for 75% off. I will probably be skipping on that one. I'm not the biggest fruity scent lover, besides like strawberry. They also have the Red, White, and Fun collection, which is out right now for summertime. That includes Bonfire Bash, Denim and Daisies, Firecracker Pop. All of those are going to be $7. Since they just came out, I can see why they priced them at $7 instead of cheaper. So if you haven't got those yet, they're going to be $7. I feel like they have had better deals on that though, and I feel like maybe those might go down even lower as the sale progresses. So I don't think I'm going to jump to pick any of those up. My favorite is just really the Bonfire Bash is my number one. I love that. Super sweet, yummy campfire marshmallow type of scent. They also have the retired $4.95 body care. They always do this for each sale. They have a few selections of retired scents that is back for the sale. And it's at a good deal too, $4.95. So they're doing pink chiffon. I do like pink chiffon, but it's not one that I think I'm going to pick up. I used to like it back in the day when it came out. It's very sweet. They also have cherry blossom. I'll probably pass. Cucumber melon. I feel like I might pick up a fragrance mist in that one. I do love cucumber melon. That's one of my classics from the 90s that I just love. One of my first Bath & Body Works scents I've had. Dark Kiss. So good as well. Definitely recommend that one, especially for the fall and winter. It's such a deep, delicious like berry scent. Also, Love and Sunshine. I don't think I have that. I don't know if that one interests me so much. Those are all going to be $4.95. We also have the Rose Collection, going to be 75% off. If you're looking for those 75% deals, this is one I'm going to pass on. I'm not a huge floral girl. I do like rose mixed with something like sweet, but by itself, I'm just not really that into it. But if you are, they do have, it looks like a body scrub and a moisturizing body wash. There is a perfume as well in rose. They also have the Summer Escape collection is going to also be $7. Also, that was the newer summer releases. It looks like only certain items is $7. Sea Salt and Lavender and Midnight Swim. Those are $7. The other ones are actually regular price, it looks like on here. So it looks like Berry Waffle Cone, Grapefruit Frosé, and Sunkissed will not be included. Sunset Glow, I've heard that this is going away. Yeah, the whole line it looks like is going to be half off. I love Sunset Glow. It's so good. If you guys like a sweeter scent, but it's not like super girly, sugary sweet. It has like, I think marshmallow in it as well as cherry. Let me grab it. I love this one so much. I'm so sad to see this one go. It has notes of fresh coconut, sparkling cherry, seltzer, dreamy moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. Definitely a good, sweet, everyday scent, but I love Sunset Glow. I'm so sad that one's leaving, and I'll probably have to stock up. I'm gonna have to like take an inventory before I go to this sale. I was a little bit nervous that they were getting rid of Sunshine Mimosa because that was on here, but they're only getting rid of the bath soaks from them. I was like, no, they can't get rid of it. It's one of my favorite fruity scents. We also have the Sweet on You collection for 75% off. Now this one I am shocked to see on here. This is the collection that has confetti cake pop and margarita cupcake. I'm just wondering if they are really bringing this back for the sale, or if this is only if your store has leftovers, because last year when I was shopping, hardly any of the stores had anything left in those lines. Those went quick, and literally everyone has been hyping up confetti cake pop. It's like 60 bucks if you look for it on Mercari for the fragrance mist, so I hope it's coming back. I would like to buy the whole collection again. I also never purchased margarita cupcakes, so I would like to buy that one too, just to kind of have it and try it out again. But if confetti cake pop is truly coming back and at 75% off, that is insane. So we will definitely be picking those up. It is very similar though to like Christmas cookies and coconut cream pie. Those are very similar scents, but overall I feel like a lot of people rave about that one. We have Sweet Pea going half off. This is the older packaging, so they did just redo their packaging. I'm a big fan of Sweet Pea. I really like it. It's like a sweet floral. It is very girly. It does remind me of my younger days, but I think it is such a classic good one. Perfect Peony is also going to be half off, it looks like. I think they must be getting rid of this. I don't know if they repackaged it. I was never a big fan of that one when it came out, so that one's definitely a pass for me. We also have Strawberry Pound Cake is going to be half off as well, of course. Some people really love that one. That one is this year's spring collection that it came in. And then, you guys, a couple of my favorites are going to be 75% off. It's called I call it the Bake Shop collection from spring. But my favorites, Raspberry Jam Donut and Coconut Cream Pie, are going to be 75% off. I'm definitely going to stock up. Those are two of my go-to favorites. If you guys like sweet gourmand, delicious scents, yes, I'm going to get those for sure. That's definitely one you're going to want to go for on the very first day, because those will sell out. I'm pretty sure of it. Like, my stores barely have anything left, and that was from like early spring. Like, that came out in January, so those are going to go fast. Also, Chocolate Covered Cherry, not a fan. That one was a fail scent for me, but if you guys like it, it's going to be 75% off. It says here 50 and 75% off, so I'm not sure exactly what is what. So it says Pretty as a Peach, again, that got repackaged. Sweet Pea, and then Hello Beautiful also got repackaged. I might end up picking up Hello Beautiful because I do not have that one, but I already bought the new packaging of Pretty as a Peach and Sweet Pea, so we'll see what those end up being. If they're 75% off, it's a yes. Half off, it's going to be probably a no. Happy Citrus collection is 75% off. And sorry, I keep looking at my phone because this is where everything is. That includes Sunwash Citrus. This was from the early spring collection that also came out like March, was it? So Sunwash Citrus, Raspberry Tangerine are both 75% off. Highly recommend Raspberry Tangerine. That one is so good. It's one of my favorite citrus scents because it's very sweet. I have it behind me actually. Delicious. You really get that bright tangerine note in here, but it's very sweet and sugary. I love that one. I actually don't have Sunwash Citrus, so let me know if you guys think I would like that one. I might have to pick it up if it's 75. Also, the Happy Coconuts collection, which is kind of in that same line as those citrus scents that came out earlier this year. So 75% off Coconut Pineapple. That is one I did not pick up this year, but so many people love it and say it smells like a pina colada, and so now I'm thinking I might pick up a lotion or a spray, especially at that price point. Also, the Pure Coconut, that one is super coconutty, but it does have a little bit of vanilla in it. I personally am going to pass. Coconut Lime, I really love Coconut Lime. It's so different. It does have the coconut note, but it's not overpowering like some coconuts are, because it has that lime mixed in that just makes it so fresh and delicious. I absolutely love that one, so I'll probably pick up a backup. And then Coconut Palm. I actually don't have the Coconut Palm one, so I might have to smell that one again. Next, 1,000 Wishes. They have half off the body cream only, it says, so maybe they have a new package for that. They also have Papaya Paradise for 75% off. I'm pretty sure this one like is always at SAS. I'm gonna have to smell that one and see if I enjoy it. I feel like I've heard good things about it. Dahlia is half off the body cream. It seems like, oh, you know what is going on? I was like, why are all these body creams half off? It's because they got a new formula with the hyaluronic acid. So I'm pretty sure they're repackaging all their body creams. So we're about to find a bunch of body creams at SAS. I wish it was 75% though. The 50% off is still a bit much, but I do enjoy Dahlia, especially for winter. Next, we have some more $7 body care, and that includes the spring collection that has Cactus Blossom, Forever Red, Black Cherry Merlot, and then Fresh Cut Lilacs. Out of those, I really enjoy Cactus Blossom. I might pick that one up. I don't know, $7 is still a lot. I might have to wait if that one goes down more. Forever Red, love Forever Red. That one is delicious. It has pomegranate and vanilla rum. So beautiful. I absolutely love that one. I obviously already own it, so I don't know if I'll be picking that one up. So that's the basics of the body care that's going to be on sale. From what I have so far, there might be some more stuff popping up, and if you have an older store, they might even have some older items, some surprise treasures. That's why I shop at many different stores during this time, because I can usually find a few hidden gems that are pretty rare when I'm looking in the 75% off section. So let's get into the aromatherapy. I'll be honest, I'm not a big aromatherapy girl, so I'm passing on most of this stuff. But we have the Love Rose Vanilla. It's going to be 75% off that whole collection. Sleep Lavender and Vanilla and Black Chamomile is 50% off. The Island Time Aromatherapy is half off as well, including Sandalwood, Eucalyptus, and Bergamot Neroli. And the Ocean Essentials is also 50% with Sandalwood Eucalyptus, Mimosa Spearmint, and Bergamot Cedarwood. And then the Wild Wellness Aromatherapy is 50% off, which has like their yoga collection. There's hot springs, sunrise yoga, and stargazing. So that is all included. And there will be some men's stuff as well, but she doesn't have the prices on there. So that is kind of an overview of what is going to be at my annual sale this year and kind of what I'm picking up. I'm looking at a lot of the new scents because I'm always interested in trying new things. I noticed they didn't have on that list. They are coming out with, again, the Boardwalk Taffy is going to be back. I'm assuming that's either going to be half off or $7. That is such a loved scent from Bath & Body Works. It is delicious. It's seriously so sweet and yummy, and it's very strong. Highly recommend. I'll definitely be picking up backups, as well as Beachfront Blanket, which is supposed to be kind of a laundry type of scent, but so many people love it, so that's also going to be there again. And I think Coastal Hydrangeas, it's called, is also going to be at the semi-annual sale again. These were from last year, but they're re-promoting them for the sale. I've also heard that Cotton Candy Clouds is coming back, so I'm not sure why they're doing Cotton Candy Clouds and Boardwalk Taffy, because it's literally the same thing, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Just a couple sneak peeks of the candles. Typically for candles, they're usually half off or $10. Sometimes in the beginning of the sale, they're $10, but they've been raising prices lately, so I have no idea what those are going to be priced at, but there's a Sunshine and Daydreams candle coming in. I don't know this one. It says Shimmering Sun Rays, Sweet Magnolia, Jasmine, and Sandalwood. There's also a Palm Trees in Paradise that has Summer Musk, Refreshing Aloe, Bright Citrus, and Eucalyptus Leaves. This sounds like a really good unisex candle. More candles I just found a picture of. I don't have the notes, but there's going to be a Black Cherry Fruit Pop candle, Ocean Driftwood, a Mint Chocolate Chip Milkshake. That one sounds good. Watermelon lemonade is part of it, limoncello, and then the other two I mentioned. And then here's another Fruit Fizz candle collection that goes with the body care. Black Cherry Merlot, Pink Apple Punch, Peach Bellini, and Island Margarita. We've had those before, kind of boring. Also, there's a 90s Rerun collection that's coming for SAS. I'm guessing it's going to be half off with the other new collections, and that one actually did include the Cotton Candy Clouds that I was talking about. They also have a new scent called Pink Tie-Dye, which looks pretty interesting. Let's see if I can find a photo of it. The notes are Pink Lady Apple, Water Lotus, and Cotton Blossom. So I don't know. That one doesn't sound that great to me. Maybe it's incredible. I have no idea. And then Endless Weekend is also in that collection, which is one of their retired scents. I think that's everything. I think that's everything I've seen sneak peeked so far for SAS. Seems like there's not going to be a ton of 75% off right away, but I definitely want to pick up a lot of these new scents. I'm so excited for that. Let me know what you guys are planning to pick up down below if you're getting your list ready. I literally need to make like a whole spreadsheet of my inventory and then decide what I want to pick up. If you guys have any questions about the sale, leave them down below. I'll try to answer as much as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.